Understanding the true nature of reality. To understand the true nature of reality, one must understand the energy foundation from which all manifestations present themselves. The true nature of reality is not the physical forms that you perceive with your senses. It is not the happenings occurring outside of you. All that you can perceive with your physical senses, your ability to hear, to see, to taste, to touch, to smell, is not physical reality, is not actual, true reality. It is merely the functioning of the mind with the body senses that have been built in for you to realize a simulated creation for your physical experience, to create experience, to have experience, to grow from experience. But this is not true reality. For the forms, for the air, the water, everything that you participate in, that occurs around you, that you take for granted, is born of energy, is born of particles, is born of molecules. Yes, the air, and you know this already, the air that you breathe, the water that you drink, all of these things make up, in some form or fashion, to some degree, every physical form that you come in contact with, moment by moment. These are made up of particles, the atoms, the molecules. And the atoms and the molecules are born of pure energy that flows, as your physicists describe, in waves. The energies act as waves and as particles. The particles come out of the waves and they return to the waves of pure energy that exists. This is the birthing place of all of your forms, everything that your physical senses allows you to perceive. So to understand the nature of your reality, of true reality, requires you to start and to stay positioned in the knowing that all is energy. All is born of frequency. All is born of specific tones, music, frequency, tones, energies, vibrations. These are the foundational core background to the physical reality that you are experiencing, the physical reality that you're constantly manifesting around you as your verse, in your verse being the frequencies and the tones that you are emitting, that you are expressing. If you focus your attention there, and master the frequencies and the tones that you express consistently, then the nature of your reality will change in accordance to the frequencies and the tones that you are consistently expressing. Most are expressing a roller coaster of frequencies and tones. They are not in control of their emotional states, of their mental states, which create the energy expressions from their being. They're high, they're low, they're sad, they're happy, they're angry, they're joyful. And each of these states are predicated by physically expressed happenings that affect the individual on the inside, when it should be the other way around. with greater understanding, knowledge that you are gaining right now. You are learning and mastering the ability to express the frequencies, to express the tones for the purpose of reaching for the highest frequency, the highest tones that is you in source energy. And as a result of reaching and expressing those frequencies and those tones, the outer physical manifestations that are your reality become tuned to the frequencies and the tones. You are no longer being adjusted from the outside in. You are now intentionally expressing and creating from the inside out. And your consistency of expressing the higher frequencies and the higher tones will result in a physically expressed and realized, manifested reality that reflects those frequencies and those tones. Consistent joy, consistent peace, consistent freedom, consistent inner strength, consistent love. You can imagine the reality that will manifest itself as a result of the consistent expression of those frequencies and those tones. You can imagine some things that you are currently experiencing do not match up or not aligned with those frequencies and those tones. They will fall away. They will become a distant memory. But it is you who must master your energy expressions. It is you who must master the frequencies and the tones, the highest that you can muster, the highest that you can imagine. And there's always more. There is always greater. There's always more expansive, because as you tune your body to frequencies and tones, and as it adjusts to the consistent expression of higher frequencies and tones, it becomes capable of more. It becomes capable of higher. It's an adjustment. It's a programming. But as you adjust, just as you exercise, just as you're working out, as your body becomes stronger and is capable of lifting more weight, as your body becomes more attuned and accustomed to expressing greater and greater light, higher and higher frequencies, expressing faster vibrations, it becomes capable of more. And your physical reality reflects these expressions. We are thankful and grateful for the opportunity to share. We're thankful for each one of you who are offering fertile ground for these transmissions. We're thankful for the vessel. We are here in support of you now from our non-physical perspective, and we love you. We love you. We love you.